Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can transfer funds from your Forex card to your bank account. And it's really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, you want to check your balance and fees. Check your remaining balance on your Forex card to ensure a seamless experience, okay? You can do this either through the online app for your Forex card management or simply reach out to customer care. If that you find that more convenient, then you want to basically examine the exchange rate and transfer fee. Okay, check all the costs associated with transferring the funds from the Forex card to your bank account. Okay, and then guys, what you want to do is you want to make the transfer request, because once you have checked your balance and you've evaluated what the feasible exchange rate is and all the costs associated, you can proceed with the transfer request. So you can do this process either online or offline. Okay, you're basically your Forex card provider will help you to proceed with the request via its official website or its mobile application. And then if you are trying to do this by calling customer care, then you may have to submit or share details of your Forex card. For example, your card number, CVV expiration date, along with maybe mentioning the amount you want to transfer. And then guys, once you've provided all the required Forex card details, you will need to provide the details of your bank account where you actually wish to receive the balance. So the details you need to provide are things like the account number, account holder name, and the IFSC code. Okay, make sure you check these details again and again, confirm the details before you submit them, because if you make a mistake, then your money would be lost. Okay, and it would be a hassle to reverse the transaction if even possible. Then after you've entered all the required, bank account details, just confirm, of course, confirm your Forex card to a bank account transfer, because many Forex card providers also ask you to submit the OTP, which is a one-time password which you'll receive on your registered mobile number or on an email as basically a confirmation process. And once you confirm the request for the transfer, you will also get the confirmation message with the details on the anticipated date and a time of transfer. And after, guys, your request is confirmed, you have to just keep a little bit of patience. It may take a few hours, 2 days, depending on your Forex card provider for this uh, transaction to reflect. But if you want, you can track the status of your request via your Forex card account, or you can simply, talk to the customer support team of your Forex card issuer. So I hope this video helped you out and shed some light on this process. And if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.